Number 4 is the Bridgestone Battelax S23 on our list. It's the best all-season tyre perfect for high-performance riding. This next-generation sport tyre boasts a brand-new pattern design that amps up your bike's grip, especially when you're leaning into those tight corners. Whether you're racing on a track or just enjoying a spirited ride on your favorite twisty roads, this tyre ensures you stay glued to the pavement. The best thing about this tyre is its enhanced dry grip, thanks to Bridgestone's cutting-edge rubber compound on the front shoulder and rear edge that drastically boosts dry grip. It gives you confidence and control, even when you're pushing your bike to its limits. Plus, it's not just about dry conditions. Its fresh pattern design includes pulse groove technology, which means better water drainage grips when it's wet, making it a reliable choice no matter the weather.